Hello aspirants, welcome to AQ IAS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll talk about impact of aerosols on solar power generation. So recently, a research institute, a very famous research institute, AEROS. You must know about AEROS also. AEROS falls under Department of Science and Technology. So AEROS conducted a research, and in accordance with that research, they have found that aerosols, dust particles, and clouds, these are responsible for the reduction of solar power generation. And they have estimated that impact of aerosols has amounted to 1.5 million rupees loss. Okay, so this much money, this much loss we have incurred because of aerosols. Now, from the prelims perspective, you must know what aerosols are. Question might be asked in prelims. So you must have the clarity regarding aerosols. Now, aerosols, these are combination of solid and liquid particles suspended in gaseous or liquid environment. Let me repeat one more time. Combination of solid and liquid particles. So when you combine solid plus liquid and when you suspend these particles in gaseous environment, this is how you get aerosols. Now example of aerosols: fog, mist, dust, pollutants. These are examples of aerosols. Now the sources of aerosols, these are located on the surface. Okay, so when you burn the fossil fuels, so that is responsible for the generation of pollutants. So most of the sources are located at the surface. That's why these aerosols are generally found in lower layers of atmosphere. Okay, so just remember that these are found in lower layer of the atmosphere. Although some of the aerosols, these are found in stratosphere also. Okay, so those sources of aerosols are volcanic sources. So volcanic sources, these are responsible for aerosols in stratosphere. So all these facts are important regarding aerosols. Now let's talk about the situation of solar power generation in India. So let me tell you that solar power sector, it is India's fastest growing sector. And right now, the installed solar power capacity, it stands at 35 gigawatt. In fact, more than that, 35 gigawatt. Okay. And let me tell you that India initially set a target of 20 gigawatt. And this target was supposed to be achieved by 2022. But now this target, it has been raised, it has been revised, and the target is 100 gigawatt now. And we are supposed to achieve this target by 2022. So initially it was 20 gigawatt. Now it has been raised to 100 gigawatt. Okay. Besides that, just remember about International Solar Alliance. It might be asked in prelims. International Solar Alliance. So this is India's initiative. Just remember, this is an Indian initiative. It was launched by Prime Minister Modi. Okay. In fact, President of France, he was also there when this initiative was launched. And it was launched on the sidelines of COP21, Conference of Parties 21. This fact is also important. Okay, so all these facts I wanted to discuss regarding this news. You must know about aerosols and about solar power sector situation in India. And just remember about International Solar Alliance. This is an Indian initiative. It was launched by Prime Minister Modi, and It was launched on the sidelines of COP21. Okay, so that's all I wanted to discuss. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. So that's all. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video soon.